I've grown up here, and I'm not willing to give it up because someone would like to move downtown and throw parties.
I'm 25 and getting significantly older very quickly. So I need to check that off my list before I have another crisis.
Wow, ladies! This is such an obvious case of girls needing to get out of mommy and daddy's
Blah,
house.
blah, blah.
Now, I'm not even kidding you. These kids are living in the past. They're living with all this junk.
Right.
They need to be downtown, having friends over,
Simple,
having
simple
parties.
fix, eh? Fix that kitchen.
Yeah.
Renovate that dining room. Let them have their friends over. They can live the way young girls are supposed to be living. It's a simple, simple fix.
Nope, you're wrong.
We get just one shot each before they decide to reno or relocate. So while Robin's drawing up his design solution,
Welcome to downtown living.
I'm showing them a condo that should convince these girls moving is the only option. It's a 2-bedroom condo right in the heart of the lively downtown core, a 5-minute walk to Nye's office.
This is pretty.
What do you think? It's everything that you have on your wish list. We have the engineered floors, granite countertops, we have stainless steel appliances.
I love it. Love
It is a fantastic space. Look at the view.
Oh my.
I mean, this is downtown living.
It's gorgeous.
You see the city here.
I could wake up to this every morning.
Come look at one of the bedrooms.
Ooh,
What a lovely bedroom.
I like it. This I could do.
And you have your own bathroom.
Oh, thank God. I love it. So I guess this would be my bedroom.
You have got to be joking. I could like sit on this floor and I wouldn't have any more room. That's not a bed.
That is a bed, actually.
I actually like it. I'm okay with taking this room. This will make me throw things out because I don't have room for them.
In a space that is downtown, you certainly cannot bring your entire house with you.
I just don't understand why you can't be a minimalist at a home that we have set up, good to
Because
go,
it's not-
need a little bit of renovation, and we're fine.
I like this.
I have one surprise.
That is gorgeous.
Isn't that nice?
I love it. This is perfect. I love the
Trish, you're not
bathtub.
saying anything.
I mean, I need a bigger living space as opposed to a massive bathroom.
I love this bathroom.
Okay. What do you guys think?
There's a lot of things that make this really awesome for me.
It's just way too small for me. I don't even know where I'd put a TV in here.
When you live downtown, you are going to have smaller spaces. You're not going to have the big stuff that you have
Right.
in your house right now.
But I love the space, and we have pieces in the house that we can make work here. Not all of them.
Right.
Now let's talk about price. Your budget was $400,000.
Yep.
Right.
This condo is $389,000.
Wow.
Under budget.
I like under budget.
Condo fees are about $410 a month.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
Pretty average, actually, for a new downtown condo. You're paying for the amenities and the building maintenance.
I don't know. I really, really, really have to think about it.
I like
Really.
it.
Nice try, Vanessa, but just wait until the sisters check out their new space in my virtual reality design plan.
Oh.
Okay, and put in reclaimed hardwood floor all the way around.
Ooh.
Right.
The layout of the kitchen remains exactly the same.
Right.
New faces and new countertops. Okay.
That is lovely.
Beautiful glass backsplash all the way along.
Nice.
Mm.
Check this out.
Exactly what we
Big,
want.
beautiful bar.
Right.
Give you a bigger space. Mouth-blown glass.
Oh, those are lovely.
This glass will also be above the dining room.
Yay!
Okay, so we're gonna have a table there. It's a circular table. Yeah.
Right.
Still hip and young and friendly. Yeah, it's pretty
And the
nice.
white and the gray will just make it
Exactly.
so spacious.
And this should solve your issues with the home and convince Naya to stay right here. And we can do all of this for 30,000.
I love it. I'm sold.
I like it. I don't know that I love it. It does give me something to think about.